Hello, my name is Nicole and this is Coffee and Kale. This week we are going to do a skincare update and a basket clean out. If that's interesting, please keep watching. Alright guys, welcome back this week. This week we are going to do a skincare update. So, about 2.5 months ago, I started a newly revised skincare routine, and guys, I'm really happy with it. I will insert a picture of a vlog like last week or the week before. I looked at it just in passing and was like, oh, my skin is actually looking all right. So you know something is happening when you don't even notice until you kind of notice, right? When you're watching it, but you don't notice until you notice. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. Here's my little basket that I keep on top of my little get ready area in my bathroom. I'll go over what I've been doing the last 2.5 months. I put in some clips of before and after, not before and afters, but kind of progress shots. Because it's only been, I started this in July, it's now mid-October, so we still have a ways to go, but I wanted to give you guys an update. Okay, we're going to start with looking at this historically. So some of you may remember these pictures from when I started. This is from like July time frame. You can see the hyperpigmentation on my forehead, on my cheeks. And then this is from about the same time. So these are still starting pictures. And then here you can see I had a little bit of a change. Not as much as I'd have liked, as quickly as I'd have liked, but it's coming along. And then this picture here is from earlier this week. So back to previously scheduled programming, but I did want to take a few seconds and give you some pictures so you can see in detail what we're working with. We'll do some empties and some basket clean out. So here we go. I am still using the Dermalogica cleanser. This is my second one, so I've had one empty from July to now. This lasts me probably about 1.5 months, maybe 2 months. I'm going to change this for the winter season. So if I can find it, I'll insert a little piece of Dr. Alexis's layout or her update. She says you should update your cleanser every so often. So we're getting into the winter months. I'm going to change this out. This probably has about that much left, so I'll finish this off, and then when I find a new one, I'll insert it for you guys. So that's my cleanser. I then follow up with my 10% azelaic acid and my hemp oil. The hemp oil I got from Amazon. Azelaic acid I got from there too. This is Paula's Choice. Now, if I had 20% azelaic acid, I would probably have more desquamation than I've been having. So you can see kind of where I am right now. Now, this one is a new one. If you've ever had skin problems, you know that picking is a thing. So I had a blemish, I let it go, and then like the last couple days right before it was about to dry out, I lost it and I picked it. So this one is gonna take a while, but these others have been there for a while and they're falling off nicely. So hemp oil, azelaic acid, that's gonna stay. My next step is vitamin C oil with Paula's Choice Moisturizer. This is my second one of these too. So I had an empty that I just threw away. I should have kept it. Should have thought about this video a week ago. So this is a brand new one that goes with vitamin C. You can see my vitamin C is almost done. It's down to there. We'll keep that. And then the next step is my sunscreen with, I'm using Drunk Elephant iodizing drops just to add some tint to it. This is also my second sunscreen. So most of this stuff is lasting me about 1.5 to 2 months, and then I have to replace it. So these two go together, and that is the final step. Now, at night, I just cleanse and use a brightening serum. Now, I was using AntiAGE. Now, this is actually an empty. So AntiAGE MD is an empty. Only use it at night. Cleanser, AntiAGE, give it a little while. I try to do it like 20 minutes, a half hour before bed. I try not to put this on and lay right down because then it's just going to come off on my pillow. That's what I have been doing, but I went and had my very first microdermabrasion about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and they got me. So I bought the brightener from them, Dr. Babor. So since I spent $70-some on this, I'm going to use this as my nighttime brightener, and I have been for about a week or so with my cleanser. And of course my cleanser will be the new one this winter. But after I finish this, because it was an impulse buy, I'll go back to my AntiAGE because I was very happy with that. So this is an empty. And then once a week, I'm still exfoliating with Mario Badescu's Enzyme Cleansing Gel. This is the same one, and you can see I'm barely down a little bit. So this is going to last quite some time. I need to see if there's an expiration date on it, because I only do this twice a week. So when I do cleanse, I do it in the morning. I don't know if I should be or not, but I do. So I cleanse, wash off, then do this, wash off, and then do the rest of the skincare routine in the morning. Once a week, I still have my Mario Badescu freshener. This actually is just a really feel-good spray. I don't use it that often. This is the same one I had 2 months ago, and you can see there's still probably about the same amount in it. Everything else in here is all that you've seen before. This is still that body glow. I still like it, still use it. Now, Soleil Blanc is in here. It's down a little bit, but we're getting into the winter months again, so I need to go farm and find a new winter fragrance. I'm going to put this away. It's about half a bottle down, because I feel like I need a more wintry fragrance. If you watched my travel blog, you know I use my Burst, so that's going to stay in my my basket. This is actually still wet from me washing my face this morning. I'm using this as my spin brush. The last time we did one of these, I had the little black one, which I use when I travel, but I like the bristles on this. This actually, I feel like, gives me a better clean, so I've been using this one lately. Now, this is Mario Badescu's Spot Treatment. I've used this sometimes with this. So sometimes I will put this on when I get a blemish to dry it out, and then try to help the desquamation along with the AMB Fade Cream. I'm very, very careful about these though, because you guys know I had a breakout of bad inflammation early in the summer, like the May-June time frame. And I was using this a lot with other stuff, so I'm just a little scared about over exfoliating. So I use it when it gets to be really annoying or really bad, but I don't use them often. However, they will stay in here so that I can use it when I need to. I don't know how I end up with pins in this basket all the time. Same hair toothbrush, a Girlkins advertisement for where I get my lashes done. Toothpaste and dental floss still in here, and then I just have 2 different eyelash brushes. So that's what's going back in my basket for this winter, with my empties coming out. And yeah, guys, I am really happy so far. 2.5 months in, we're doing well getting rid of some of the pigmentation. I'm happy about that. I'm going to keep going. Just change out my cleanser so that my skin doesn't get too used to it. It's kind of like a workout. You got to switch it up every so often so your body doesn't get too used to it. So the only thing I'm going to change here in the next week or so is my cleanser. Once this is gone, I'll find another foaming cleanser for my oily skin and keep going.
Okay, for my academics out there, I did want to put this little chart back in. So here is my layout, how I'm getting there: the cleanse, exfoliate, prevent, moisturize, and sunscreen. I'm still using the same products as before. When I do change my cleanser, I'll update this.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this week. Let me know how your skincare routine is coming, how your process is coming. I've had a couple people text me and inbox me about their workout routines. If you aren't following me on Instagram, I put some of my workout stuff out there. Maybe I'll do one here too. But yeah, let me know if anybody else out there is here because they're looking for skin options. Let me know. Let me know how it's going. Let me know what you're using, what's working, what's not working, so we can kind of all get there together. Now, before we go, I would be remiss if I didn't talk about the hair, because I know this is likely what some of you came for. This is a full week worth of twist out. I have never worn my hair in a twist for a full week, but I did this week. And this is it. And now today is wash day. And it's fairly moisturized. It's not dry at all. It's not moist, but it's not dry. It's like a comfortable space. I'm thinking about taking it out and not washing. Just using my hair the way I would normally for a week and twist it down at night. I don't know. I know I can't get away with another week of twists because there's just too much fuzziness, but it's probably about noon on wash day, and I have to decide if I'm going to take these out and wash, or if I'm not going to do wash day this week, go 2 weeks without a wash day. I don't know. Y'all let me know. Anybody out there who wears twists regularly, let me know what you do about washing. Do you take them out and then wear your hair out, or do you take them out and wash immediately? I don't know. I don't want to get stuck with a midweek wash day. That's what I don't want to happen, because they're so hard. There's so many steps. It's really hard to do in an overnight and let everything sit for the time it's supposed to sit. So we'll see. All right, guys, have a good week. Bye-bye.